I got the axle housing all sanded down, prepped, and it's completely painted with that Steelit. We have the trailing arms, we're about to sand them, get them painted, and it'll be prepped and ready for assembly. What's up, everyone? I'm back up at fucking Shred Cabin. I don't know, Wilkie's Ranch. I got a little bit of painting to do. Brought the rear end inside already. Then we're gonna start throwing things together. Try to get it as done as much as we could last time we were here. So there's only little chunks where the sawhorses were. And yeah, here we go. We just came to a stopping point tonight. We got the back of the cage taped off and the firewall all painted. All the metal that we put in after the shock mounts were made and the joints where the tubes come out of the top all painted up. So now she's clean and ready for reassembly. Trailing arms, rear end, and shocks going on next. Kevin got burly with it and just decided to aluminum panel everything. What all did you get done today?
Cut out all these aluminum panels, got them fit up. Now the next step in this process is just bead rolls in them, make them all fancy-like, and then we're gonna mark all the holes, drill the holes, dimple dye them, and final fitment. This is what it starts out as. You take some paper, make a template.
Yeah, you see that?
And crafts.
Kevin got some new reinforcements he wants to throw on these beams, some plates on the bottom, and we're gonna powder coat these coils. Not sure what color we're gonna do the coils yet, so if you got any ideas, let me know. Then other than that, we're just gonna disassemble these brake lines, get the limit straps off, get the coilovers off, and just start going from there. Here we go. We got the rear hubs on the axle, we got the trailing arms, upper and lower links all dialed in the right spot. Now we've stripped down the front end right here so that we can get everything all prepped up and painted, ready to go. Panels bead rolled. Last one's getting done right now. Kevin's crushing it. Got the radiuses looking good. There's one for the other side. So I'm pretty pumped how it's coming out. We got the axle bolted up. Well, bolts are in. Got the upper link mounts in. Got the lower links in, obviously. And here's the 37s. This is how big these bad dogs are. So there's Kevin making the brake and the bead roll for this panel right here. Has a little bit of an angle, so let's do it right. Kevin's been crushing the guts out of the game, and the truck's looking amazing. Got the spare mount, aluminum on both sides, looking damn good. Kevin crushed it on this. 37's looking real good on there. Now we're getting the front end dialed in, got it taken apart. Got the battery box over here, about to get some color on it today. Boom, boom. Got the radius arms. We got 2 coats of Steel-It on it already. In case you don't know, Steel-It is epic. It's a primer, paint, and you could weld through it all at the same time. But yeah, this truck though. Look at her. God damn. Well, there we go. Looking sick. Doing the dimple dies on it real quick. All right, we're just wiping it down, getting all the dust off, and making sure there's no oil or grease on the cage so that we can start throwing the Steel-It up on it. Get some black after we tape off the cab and the rear end so that we can start reassembling. And then we're gonna get the shocks back on and get her on our wheels. Steel-It. No overspray, just turns into dust on the ground. Clean shop is a happy shop. So we just finished the paint. Gonna start assembling next, so stay tuned to see what's going on when we get her on our wheels. All right, thanks.